Hello my beautiful people. Today we are back in the kitchen again, and today we are making, as in me and you're watching me make chicken butter masala and butter naan, because I'm kind of craving it, but also I don't want to buy it. There's a restaurant near my place. I ordered it and it was not the best. I don't feel like ordering in, and also I kind of want to learn how to make it, so we're gonna make it and you're gonna watch me. So right now I just typed in butter naan recipe on YouTube, and then the first one that popped up, I'm gonna watch it. We need milk, sugar. I think I'm gonna use castor sugar. It's more refined. No, I don't have yeast. Flour. I have our flour here. Salt and oil. Okay. Salt, oil. Oopsie. My problem is I don't have yeast, and I hate the smell of yeast. I give you gag. I hate the smell. No, actually, I think we have yeast. I think my mom has yeast somewhere. I feel like this is yeast. It looks like yeast. Yeah, that's yeast. So this is the closest I have to the one that the girl in the video had, and I think this also will be easier to knead the dough. So I'll see you when I am making the dough. 1/2 cup of milk. Oh my gosh, there's none left in there. Half. Okay, 1 tablespoon sugar. 2 teaspoons of yeast. So confirm that this is the yeast, and this 1 tablespoon right there, that's a teaspoon. Okay. 2. Okay, so this is what I need for, I guess, topping. I don't think I have parsley, but we'll get on to the garlic and the butter. You guys, got my garlic. I hate cleaning garlic, and I just cut my nails, so if it's the big one, it's fine, you know. You know what? I'm gonna get a chair. That's my laptop. So I am a little worried because I ran out of maida, and then I had to go get some. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I will be back after I'm done with these. Four cups. 2, 3, 4. 4 cups and half. So now mix until incorporated. Okay. Now 3 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, 3. I'll be back in 7 minutes. So I like to be precise, so I'm going to set a timer. Okay, this is where I'm at. That was 4 minutes, but oh my gosh, I'm getting carpal tunnel because I have carpal tunnel. That's not good for my wrist. So we're gonna leave it for 45 to 50 minutes, they said. So we're gonna cover this up with something, then leave it. Then we're gonna work on that garlic butter paste thingy. Okay, we don't have parsley, so we're using dhania, and I don't want too much because this is from my mom's garden and it is so strong, the smell is so strong, so I'm just gonna use this much. Okay, the timer for the dough has gone off. That's my dough. Actually, I forgot to do one step. I forgot to put oil on the bowl.
Look at that. No, you're going to use what for that?
What do you mean?
To bake?
Oh, no, not to bake. I need a flat. We have one, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. The camera is moving so much. So, lucky us, we have this. What we want to do now is open like this. I mean, spread. The video is going so fast. Okay. So, this is for 10 serving. Like that. Now. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm scared. Now. Ah, yeah. That is. It's not equal. Right. One. Two. Three. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's a big one. But now, take one. Okay, this is somewhere. It's okay. You know what? It's fine. We'll work with it. This is our first time. We're not gonna give ourselves a hard time for imperfections. Voila. So in the video it says we're gonna let this rest for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna prepare my butter thingy. Okay, put the butter, but I think it's too much butter actually. So while waiting for my naan to rise, I'm gonna start prepping for the chicken. According to the video, we have to fry the chicken. So before that, I'm gonna prepare the ginger and garlic paste, and then the red chili powder, and then the salt, and then yeah. We don't have ginger garlic paste, so I'm going to dice up the ginger and garlic. It's something I really don't like doing, but we have to prepare tomatoes also. Yeah, onions. Okay, we got a lot to do. Should do this. Okay, quite small, yeah. I'm going crazy right now because I'm getting so confused. I'm gonna make that after the chicken. I'm having some tea and I gotta increase. So okay, so I increased everything. 2.5 minced garlic and ginger, and then 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder and salt. This garam masala is for later, but we'll have to increase that also. And then you have, yeah, we're gonna do that in the chicken with some oil. My chicken here, ginger, garlic, chili powder, and salt. My chicken is resting, and I'm going to increase the recipe for the other the ingredients, because I messed up. So I originally had 500 grams of tomato, but we've got 800 grams of chicken. So yeah, I realized I didn't have enough butter, so I got some butter. But I'm just so thankful that nearby my house we can get like all the essentials that we need, because so many times I realized that I needed more ingredients and then I could just go up to the street and buy it. So I'm thankful for that. You are on my apron. You get away. Get no. Unless you want to do the cooking. These are going to be grinded anyway, so you don't have to do them perfect. Okay. Okay, the timer just went off for the, I'm so sorry for the chicken, but we're gonna wait because I want to get the ingredients ready. Oh, my camera was dirty. Okay, I'm gonna get everything ready and then come back. So first I'm gonna fry the chicken, medium. I guess I add the chicken now. Wow. Mine will take some time to cook because it's not boneless and they are big pieces. So I'm gonna fry this and I'll be right back. Yummy, yummy. Oh! The chicken is half done, so I'll put it in here. Onion. Tomato, water, and next cashews. So now we have the salt, the garlic, and I added 4 tablespoons of white vinegar because I did not have malt, so I did 4, or else malt vinegar should be 5. That's looking really good. We need the tomatoes to cook. Sugar, now garam masala and chili powder. So at least 5 to 20 minutes, so that everything becomes nice and mushy. Is what he said. I think I used too much water. Oops. Yeah. It's overflowing. Like the love of God. Guys. My goodness me. It tastes like actual chicken butter masala. I'm so happy. So in the meantime, while that's cooking, I'm going to knead my dough. My naan, they have risen and they are like huge right now. But since I don't have space, I'm gonna do this off camera. Also, I just put a towel here because I didn't want to wipe my hands on the clean, pretty apron. So So I don't know why the person in the video was pressing it like this before rolling it out, but I'm just following it. Now I'm going to grind up the oats pot. I'm going to grind up this. Okay, now I will mix this and this in the pan and cook it for some time again. Okay, chicken. Okay. Wow. Mix it a little bit. Oh, it's overflowing. While the chicken cooks here, we will make the naan here. Earlier, my oil. So we were supposed to add in butter here after we do the sauce, but I didn't know that. So we're just gonna cook it and then we're gonna add the cream. Let it boil a little bit and then I'm gonna make the naan. We've got 9 naans to make. I'm getting hungry, like I'm shaking. This is done. Gonna close it for now. Oh my goodness, it is 7:15 and I'm finally done. Dinner is ready. Chicken butter masala is ready. So here I have the butter naan. You have to garnish it with the butter and garlic. Okay, but
Masala benim olada var. You work on every detail, na?
oh.
Although the cards, na. Pani producers, ne? Louis.
Huh? Hi. Ignore the mess. I mean, never mind. There's quite literally a bigger mess behind, so I'm standing here covering it up. But that was quite literally the best dinner I ever had. That I made, of course, but that was so good and so filling, and I think the recipes that I followed really came through, and I'm gonna put the links in the description box. The links are in the description for the recipes, and it was so good. I think the only things that I would change is for the butter naan. I think I would have made them smaller sizes because I followed the recipe and they said it was enough for 10 pieces, I guess. But I think I would have made it smaller, and The other thing is for the chicken, I would have number one used more chicken because I only used 800. Oops. I only used 800 grams. That was not the whole chicken. That would be number one. Second one would be pressurize or cook the chicken a little bit because I used boiler chicken and it was fine, but I would have wanted it a little more tender. Third is using a little less chili powder because the chili powder was like really spicy, and then I marinated the chicken with the chili powder, and even in the butter masala mix there was chili powder, like a lot. That's why it was spicy a little bit for us, but other than that it was so good. But yeah, that is the video, I guess. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you make chicken butter masala with some garlic butter naan, send me pictures, or I don't know. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.